Hello, 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 everyone. It is Selena Wilson here, C. Wilson Success, your motivational entrepreneur. Thank you for tuning in. I am so happy today because the sun is out. It is almost spring. Winter got to go. I'm not the winter girl. I'm not the one you want. I'm not. But the sun is out. I'm up, I'm shining bright, and hey, that's what I need. I need some spring, I need some sun in my life, because the gloominess of winter and all of that, and I hibernate too, so I'm always in the house. It just wasn't good for me. However, thank you for tuning in. I am your motivational entrepreneur. I come to encourage you, to motivate you, and to inspire you on your entrepreneur journey. Also, for those of you who have not quite stepped out into the journey, but you want to start a home business, you want to become your own boss, I am here to motivate you and help you as well to get started. Now, today, what I'm going to talk about is getting business funding. Are you tired of pretty much running a broke business because you're funding your business with your personal income? And sometimes you're either not coming out even, you're coming out even, or you just took a loss. You just took a hit and you are now tired of that. You're frustrated. You're trying to understand how come your business can't get funding. And it's probably because you do not have your business legitimately solidified and established. And I'm here to help you because I have been where you are. And for those of you who know what I mean, who now have your business, you're getting funding and you are able to use that money to put into your business, congratulations to you. And continue to move forward, and I wish you nothing but the best. Now, before I begin, I do want to leave with you, as always, something to get your mind thinking, get your mind turning, because this is a marathon and it's not a sprint, and you're always going to want to keep your mind filled with some sort of wealth, some sort of nuggets, something that's going to carry you through this journey. This comes from Henry Ford, and I'm going to read the board because in my mind, I believe I have it, but why not just look at the board? Now, failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. So failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. So what better way to give an example than what I just gave? When I got out here for my business, I knew that I had something. I know this skill. I can help others. When it comes to entrepreneurship, and I say this all the time, it's about solving a problem. Whatever problem that is that you know you can do, then have that problem. I have a good listening ear. I give good advice. I'm trained in finances, things that I now know to do. I'm out there and I'm helping others do it as well. The thing about it, when I dove in, I did not have my ducks in a row. I really didn't know what was happening, what was going on. All I knew is I have this business idea. Boom, I'm going to jump out here and I'm going to start this business. But I did not think about, where's this money going to come from? How are you going to fund this business? How are you going to market your business? How are you going to brand your business? How are you going to get yourself out there and not have funding? I didn't think about funding. Like, I thought about funding after the fact, and it's like, well, how do I do it? And then I realized that there were some other steps that I needed to do. And so intelligently, I did that. And so I give that to you. Just because you failed in an area, pick yourself back up, regroup yourself, relearn it, and hey, get to moving. Do not stay where you are. Do not stay stuck. Any small step is better than no step moved at all. So I hope you got a lot of value out of that. Now, on to business credit, getting funding for your business. Number one, I'm going to go over the 6 basics that's going to get you set up and that's going to get you started. 1, you want to start your entity. You want to start that LLC. You want to start that S Corp. You want to start your corporation. You want to establish your business entity. You can go to inkfile.com. You have LegalZoom. There are a lot of opportunities out there. Zen Business, I believe, is also one of them. But there are a lot of establishments that are willing to help you do this. You can also do it yourself. I mean, it's going to take some, really getting in there and knowing what to do. However, it's possible. But what you want to do is you want to get your entity. Number 2, you want to register your business. You want your business to be registered at the state level. You want your business to be registered at the local level, and you want your business to be registered at the federal level as well. Once you have that established, once you have yourself registered, you want to get an EIN number. Now, you can go to irs.gov, apply for an EIN. It's free. It's going to go through the processing time. You wait that processing time. Boom, you have an EIN. So now you have a business. You have your entity. It is now registered. You now have an EIN. Okay, you are halfway there. You already have your business. Now, number 4, you want to get a business phone number. You want to go to places such as Google Voice and get a business phone number. Or you can look around. Vonage, I believe, has one. Call Central is one. Hopefully I said that correctly. But there are many vendors that can offer you that voice service. So check it out. Do your research, but you want to get a business phone number. Number 5. Yeah. Number 1 was your LLC. Number 2 is to register your business. Number 3 was your EIN. Number 4 is your business phone number. Number 5, you want to get a business address. Yes, we do work from home. My office here, I work from home in my office. This here is kind of annoying because they are fixing the ceiling. They have to bust out the ceiling, and so they have to come back and do the trimming. So that's a bit of a distraction for me, and I do apologize for interrupting my video to show you that, because now it's become a distraction for you. I apologize. Now, a business address. I went to iPostal, and I have a local address here where I go and I get my business mail. But you want something that's strictly for your business. You get this mail for your business only. And once you establish your business and you have established these steps and you start applying for business funding, you're going to notice that you are going to be getting lenders, card offers coming to that mailbox. So be sure to get that mailbox. Be sure to continue to check that mailbox. Make sure you get notifications. Okay, so let's do a regroup. Number 1 is LLC. Number 2, we're going to register our business at the state, local, and federal level. Number 3, we're going to get an EIN. We're going to go to irs.gov, apply for an EIN, free. Number 4, you're going to want to get a business phone number. You can go to Google Voice, other vendors as well, Call Central. Do your research. Whatever resonates with you, do it. Now, number 6, you want to get a website. You can go to wix.com. You can do the trial. You can build your own website. It is a very easy tutorial. If you're you're techie, you're into that stuff, you're into graphics, you're into designing, or if you have an interest in it, then this will be good route for you to just do it yourself. And just think, if you get good, the better you are at building your website, that's another stream of income where you can contract yourself out and charge someone to build their website, because there are people like me who did not want to. However, now that I have it up and going and established, I do like messing around with my website. However, for those of you who don't want to touch it, outsource it. You can go to Fiverr or you can go to Upwork. There is someone that will build a business website. Most times they charge you, I've seen as less as $300 up to $500 or even more. It just depends on what it is that your business is, what it is that you want on your website, and who it is that you hire to do it. There may be someone that does it cheaper, but what I've seen, the lowest is $300, and it just goes on up. Or go ahead and establish it on Wix.com. Do your research. You can also build a website on other platforms as well. Now that you have those 6, what you want to do now is get a bank account. You want to have a business bank account. I do believe in the beginning I said 6, and it's 7. I apologize. That is 7. Number 1 is the LLC. I know I'm repeating. Number 2 is register. Number 3 is your EIN. Number 4 is your address. Number 4 is your phone. Number 5 is your address. Number 6 is your website. Number 7 is get a business checking account. Whew. Why did that seem so hard to say? However, I'm back. Now you want to get your business bank account. You can go to your bank, your local bank, wherever you have established banking at, and get a business checking account. You don't have to just have one. If you want to go through your business, your financial institution, go through your financial institution. If you want to do some more research and use other financial institutions, you can do that as well. I went through North One Bank. The deposit was only $50. I also have a Bank of America. I also have Blue Vine. North One, Blue Vine are ones that I've researched, and through referrals I got online. So you can either go to your financial institution or go to other financial institutions that are around you, or you can also do your research online. So once you have those 7, what you want to do is you want to be sure that you are making deposits into that bank account. You want to put all your funds, whether it's a PayPal, whether it's a Cash App, whether whatever method of payment you use, you want that to go to that business bank account. Also, for startups, you're just starting up in your business, put some investing in that. Go from your personal account, make some transfers, make some deposits into that personal account, from that personal account into your business account. That way, it'll also show lenders that you are also investing in you as well. And also, what lenders really need to see is a consistent 3-month history of transaction history deposits. They want to see that you're making money, that you're putting money in this account, that this account is growing. So after those 3 months, start checking that mail, start checking that business address, and you will start getting lending opportunities that will come. Now, you need it now. I know, I get it. You need it now. So what you want to do for startups, there's a company called Accion, ACCION. You sign up with them. They have many grants for startup businesses, women, minority startups, which is, a win-win. So go to Accion.com, sign up, take a look there. Also, the SBA has startup opportunities. There are many startup lenders that will lend to startup businesses. However, if you don't have any of these in place, you are not going to qualify, because they want to first see if you do have an established business. Then they want to see, is that business legit to where if I look it up, I can find that business on the state level, the local level, the federal level. You have your EIN. They're going to check that out. They're going to see if you have a business phone number, address, and a website is perfect, because they go to your website, boom, you have your business. One thing that I also want to stress, there is a difference between personal credit and business credit. The credit bureaus are different. For the credit level, there's also a Dun and Bradstreet number that you get to also help establish your business credit. But right now, the 7 that I have named will get you started, get you going. Then as you go, be sure as you're building your business credit that you are also getting the DUNS number and things like that so it can start to report and cycle. Now, there are some lenders that will also kick back and take a look at your personal, see what it is that's going on in your personal as well. And sometimes, unfortunately, if they see that you are really inconsistent with your personal credit, that can also play a factor on your funding, if you get funding at all, or how much funding you get. Even though the two are separate and your business credit would not fall into your personal or your personal will fall into your business. However, when it comes to funding, sometimes that is what lenders do. So while you are establishing your business credit, be sure to also establish your personal credit. Credit is really important. There is power behind credit. I will come in other videos in the future and just go over that. But I have been getting a lot of questions and helping people with business funding. Like I say, I come from the wrong side of doing it, and now I know the right side, and I want you guys to skip over what I did and get straight to the money. So once again, I'll go over those 5 steps to building your business and getting your business funded. You want to have an LLC. You want to get it registered. You want, you want to have an EIN. You want to have a business phone number. You want to have a business address. You want to have a business website. And you also want to have a business checking account. And there you go. You can begin right away. It does not, all of this can be done within a 24-hour period. It's all up to you how fast you need funding, how fast you are ready and can get it up and going. Selena Wilson here, C. Wilson Success, your motivational entrepreneur. Success is now. The time is now. I hope you got value. Please like, please share, please subscribe down below. Also in the description is information on getting that business to a 30-minute workday. Yes, once you become successful, you are your own business. Also, you have multiple streams of income coming in. You want to learn how to establish that. You want the plan. And so for free, you can click down below, just give your email. You can get the download of the 30-minute workday. Also, my success guide, you can also get as well. Also in the description, you can contact me. I can help you. Or if you just have a general question, I am here to assist you as well. How to build a home-based business for those of you that are ready to get started, don't know how to start, not quite ready to start that LLC or that corporation. It's okay. Just start off as a sole proprietor. Take a look below in the description on how to build a home-based business webinar. You'll click the link, search for that webinar below. Everyone have a wonderful day. Remember, success is now. The time is now. Get out there. Do not let failure stagnate you. Have a wonderful day. Peace.